Hi, JAFRA Beauties. So we're here
Hi.
today to show you guys four amazing products, okay? So we're going to show you one that we're all going to use, and then we're going to show you three different lip color options. So today, I'm Team Lip Oil.
I'm Team Color Passion.
And I'm Team Lip Stain.
Hey, so all of you out there who are Team Lip Oil, Team Color Passion Lipstick, or Team Always Lip Stain, make sure you go ahead and let us know in the comments which team you're on. So today, one of the things that we're all team of is the JAFRA Beauty Lip Scrub. So this one, it doesn't matter which lip products you want to use, always make sure to have this handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our lip scrub. We're just going to take a little bit here. We're using a little Q-tip here. You can use a little spatula, whatever you prefer to use. Go ahead and apply it. You can use your fingertip, you can use your Q-tip, whatever it is you want to use. My hands are nice and clean, so I like to get in there.
Mine too.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and scrub with our lip scrub. And what's really important about this first step is that it's going to prep your lips. So with the olive powder that it contains and the bamboo extract that it contains and the acai oils and vitamin E, it's going to scrub and then hydrate. So the way you want to remove this is you want to go ahead and get like a damp little cotton pad. We're going to go ahead and remove. This is a great way to remove if you're doing a demo. If you're doing this at home, feel free to rinse.
I don't know about you girls, but I already see the difference in my lips. Do you feel your lips a little bit different?
I do.
I do.
Ooh, yes.
And this product, Carla, what it's going to do to your lips is going to buff away dry, flaky skin while hydrating with plant delivery ingredients to leave your lips feeling very smooth.
I love it. I can tell mine already. I haven't even put any lip product on and I feel like they already look a little fuller, maybe just because they're already like smoothed out and hydrated. So on to our lip product. So I am Team Lip Oil. As you can see here, JAFRA Beauty Prebiotic Lip Oil. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the bolder shades. I have a couple more here. I have the Orange Rush and the Mocha. So these ones are beautiful, but I'm going to go with sweet wine today. So for me, I like to do a bold eye and maybe like a more subtle lip. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my JAFRA Beauty Prebiotic Lip Oil. One of my favorite things about this lip oil is the applicator. Look at that applicator. It is so cool. So Elizabeth, which one are you going to use?
Right now, I'm Team Color Passion, and I'm going to the absolute nude. I love this color because, as you can see, I'm more of a classic nude style, and I really enjoyed this tone because it gives me like a great makeup for running errands, doing simple day-to-day things.
Love it. And Monica, as we can see, Team Lip Stain. So I'm going to go ahead and apply here. Super easy applicator. I love this applicator.
I also love the lip stain because although it's like that bold color, it's very smooth when you put it on your lips, and especially after scrubbing, Carla. And what I like about this one is that it's a lasting color. It's a very wayless, ultra long wear lipstick, and it's proven to deliver incredible stay power.
I love that. So as you guys can see this prebiotic lip oil. So prebiotics different from probiotics. So prebiotics, what they do is that they help feed all the good bacteria to maintain a healthy microbiome on your skin. So that's going to help a healthy microbiome on my lips. The other thing too is that it has 10 plant-based ingredients to deliver superfoods to that bacteria, to the good bacteria, and also to help hydrate. So what do you think, guys? I think this finishes this look.
Yeah, I think it looks amazing. And I just wanted to add to all of my Color Passion team. I think this is a great option because it has 8 hours of hydration. And besides that, it also has an amazing scent. Like If you could smell this, I think you would love it. And also the application, it's so easy. So I think it's a great, great option for your day-to-day makeup.
Absolutely love it. And Monica, one of the really cool things about the lipstick that you're wearing right now, the Always Lip Stain, you had said that it's long wear. It's 12-hour, right?
Yes, it is. But not only me, we do have an independent consumer test that 93% said always liquid lip stain does not come off until you want it. So let me do the test. Lips are ready. Let me show you guys here in the camera because you guys really need to see this. Look, I'm not pausing
Wow.
the recording. It's live. You're ready to go
Wow.
for 12 hours.
I
So
love
once
that.
it dries down, it is going to stay put. And the best product to remove that is the JAFRA Beauty Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. So this is pretty much the only thing that's going to get that lip stain off. We've tried other things before, but that seems to magically take it off. So even though we said 4 products, that's going to be the 5th product you want to have in your bag if you're using the lip stain. So raise your hands. Are you team lip oil?
Team Color Passion?
Or team lip stain.
Let us know in the comments. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.